Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. What was our last class? Do you remember all the things which we had learned? We had learned adjectives, right? We had learned that adjectives are some describing words. Okay, I know you know everything. Okay, today we are with a new topic. And the topic is opposites. And the topic is opposites. You know what is opposites? Just the reverse, okay? Just different, entirely different from the other. Look, my coat is black, but my teeth, teeth are white. Just the opposite. We are going to learn something, okay? So listen here, Marcus, listen here. If your mama is giving you something, how you feel? If your mama or parents are giving you something, some toys or some sweets or some chocolate, something, what you will feel? You will be feeling happy, isn't it? You will be feeling happy, right? Okay, you will be feeling very happy. And if your mama is scolding you, or if your father is hitting you or scolding you, what will happen? We will be very sad, right? We will be very sad. So look here, the opposite of happy is sad. Listen here, happy and sad, happy and sad, happy and sad, happy, 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 sad, 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 happy and sad, happy and sad, happy, 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 sad, sad, sad. So the opposite of happy is sad. The opposite of happy is sad. So look here. Here there are two types of trees. You can see two types of trees. Look, one tree just like Sajna ma'am. It's very tall. Right? Yes. Look, the other tree like you. It is very short. Isn't it? Tall, short. Tall and short, tall and short, tall, 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 short, 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 tall, 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 short, short, short. So the opposite of tall is short. Opposite of tall is short. Okay. Now you look. Here are two balls. Look here. Here are two balls. Look here. One ball is very big. And look at the next ball. It is very small. It's just the opposite. Okay. So, big and small. Big and small. Big, 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 small, 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 big and small, big and small, big, 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 small, 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 small. So, what is the opposite of big? Small. What is the opposite of big? Small. Okay, we all love to drink something, le? In winter season, it is very cold. At that time, what we like to drink? Hot things, isn't it? Hot things we like to eat. And if it is summer season and it is very hot, we will like to drink cold drinks, right? Cold drinks we like to drink. Look here. It's a cup of tea, and here we are having ice cream. So this tea is very hot. Okay, hot, and this ice cream is very cold. Okay, ice cream is very cold. So the opposite of hot is cold. So the opposite of hot is cold. Hot and cold. Hot and cold. Hot, hot, hot. Cold, cold, cold. Hot and cold. Hot and cold, hot, 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 cold, cold, cold. So the opposite of hot is cold. The opposite of hot is cold. Okay. Now I will show you two children here. Okay, I will show you two children. Look, two boys. Let me call two boys here. Okay, two boys. Look this boy and look this boy. This boy is and this boy is. So what we will say? This boy is fat and this boy is thin. This boy is fat and this boy is thin. Okay, so how we will sing? Fat and thin, fat and thin, fat, 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 thin, 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 fat and thin, fat and thin, fat, 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 thin, thin, thin. Okay, so the opposite of fat is thin. The opposite of fat is thin. Now I will show you. Look, two children are sitting here in a seesaw. The similar picture is there in your book also. Another same type of picture is there in your book also. Two children are, one boy and one girl is sitting, and they are in the seesaw. Look, one child is up and the other child is down. One child is up and one child is down. So you tell me, what is the opposite of up? Down. So up and down, up and down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So the opposite of up is down. Opposite of up is down. Now I will show you other picture. Look, this is a house. You can see a house here. You can see a house here, and you can see a bird near the house. You can see a bird near the house, and you can see a bird there also. You can see a bird near the house, and you can see a bird there. So it is far away. You have learned this and that, no? There I was saying near and far. Okay, so what is the opposite of near? Far. Near and far. Near and far. Near, near, near. Far, far, far. Near and far. Near and far. Near, near, near. Far, far, far. So the opposite of near is far. The opposite of near is far. Okay. Now you look here. One grandma is here. A small kid is here. Look, the grandma is very old. And you look the kid. The kid is playing like you. So they are young. That is why they are able to do anything. You people are able to do everything, no? Like this kid is also very smart. He is able to do everything. But grandma is not able to do. So the grandma is old and the kid is young. The grandma is old and the kid is young. So the opposite of old is young. Opposite of old is young. Old and young. young, young. Old, old, old. Young, young, young. So the opposite of old is young. Opposite of old is young. Okay. Then the last one. I am going to show you the last one. Look here, there is a door. You can see a door. You can see, the door. Now the door is closed. The door is closed. I am going to open it. Look, now it is open. Okay, now it is opened. So again I am going to close it. Look, now it is closed. So open, close, open, close. So open and close, open and close, open, 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 close, 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 open, 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 close, close, close. So the opposite of open is close. So the opposite of open is close. These are the opposite words you have to learn. You don't want to learn all these words by heart, Muggles, but you want to look and understand. You want to know the opposite. If I am asking you, what is the opposite of hot? You have to say it is cold. What is the opposite of big? It is small. What is the opposite of old? It is young. You want to know like this, okay? You want to say like this, but you don't want to learn the spelling by heart, but you should look and identify the word. You have to look and say, this is old, this is young, like that you want to look and identify. So I will write all the words on the opposite words on the board and we will read once. Okay, we will just read once. Look, Muggles, look onto the board. Look, all the opposite words are here. Look, shall we read the first one? Yes. Please look at it. Happy. What is the opposite of happy? Sad. Happy, sad. Then next one, tall. What is opposite? Short. Tall, short. The next one, big, small. Big, small. And look the next one, hot, cold. Hot, cold. Look the next one, fat, thin. Fat, thin. Look the next one, up. What is the opposite of up? Down. Up, down. Up, down. Next, far, near. Far, near. Far, near. Then next one, old, young. Old, young. Old, young. Last one, open, close, open, close. Okay, my dear children, you want to know how to read this word and you should know what is the opposite of one word, right? Okay, I want to give you a work through this class itself. I am going to give you a work. You know what is that? In your textbook I had left out one page, no? I had left out one page, only pictures, a picture was there, no wordings, no writings. It is a story. Do you remember that? I will show you just. Okay, look at this picture. You have seen, no? The textbook page number 37. Textbook page number 37. You can see a picture. 4 pictures are there in that. It is a story. Okay. It is a story. Okay. Have you seen that picture, Muggles? What you want to do is you want to imagine a story and create a story. Okay. You want to imagine and create a story and you want to record it and send to your class teacher. Will you do it? Okay, let me look who will be making very good story in that. In English you try. Okay, in English you try to make small story and send to your teacher. Right? Okay, then thank you Makkals, thank you very much. Go through your textbook and do the work in your workbook, and thank you. We will meet in the next week. Okay, bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.